Okay, you guys, in the second part of this lesson, we're going to be looking at different inequalities. Does anybody remember when I showed you when a variable is right next to a constant, a number or coefficient? What do we need to do? Diego? Multiply. Did everybody hear that? So we need to say 2 times x, okay? And then that's going to be equal to x plus 3. Jessica, do you have any idea, what do you think the value of x will be here? What do we think? Give me some ideas of what you think. We can just plug some values in. You want to try 2? All right, let's try x is 2. So 2 times 2. Jessica, what does 2 times 2 equal? 4. Excellent. And then what's 2 plus 3? 5. Does that work? It didn't work, did it? But you were very close. So what else you want to try? If 2 didn't work, what could you try next? Well, why would you want to jump from 2 to 5, Jess? Why don't we try 3? What do you guys think? Do you think trying 3 makes sense?
Yes.
All right, let's try 3. So now we're going to see if we can put in 3. Jessica, help me solve this. 2 times 3 equals what?
6.
And 3 plus 3 equals 6. Excellent. Did that work? Did we balance our scales?
Yes.
So what we can do to check our answers, Jessica, so 2 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3, isn't it?
Yes.
So when we're trying to figure out that variable, in this case we started working with multiplication, we have to write these out and let's try different values until our scales balance. Does that make sense? Krista, are you with me? So on the second part of the lesson, I want you guys to, again, use your scales, right? We're going to try to balance things out, but you're going to have to try different values. Did you see how Jessica tried 2? But how close were they? They were close, weren't they? So Jessica didn't jump to 5, because why would you jump that high? You might just want to try the next number. Does that make sense? So you're going to have to try different things until your scales balance out. So we're going to go ahead and try the second part of the lesson where we're going to be working with multiplication to try to balance those scales, okay? Is everybody ready for that?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, let's get started.